Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're tired of wasting time on tools or tactics that overpromise and underdeliver, then you are absolutely in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what ReviewsGen AI can really do, the good, the bad, and the surprising parts no one else is talking about. I will also break down what this tool is perfect for, where it falls short, and by end of this video I will show you 5 bonus gifts you will get absolutely free when you grab ReviewsGen AI through my link. So stick around, especially if you are serious about growing trust, sales, and your reputation with authentic customer reviews. Let's start with quick overview, then we'll jump into the pros and cons of ReviewsGen AI. What is ReviewsGen AI and its key feature? Well, at its core, this is an AI-powered tool that helps you to automatically generate, manage, and publish real high-quality customer review without begging for them or chasing clients for feedback. It's built to automate the review collection process using smart prompts, email campaigns, and customizable review funnels. You basically get more reviews with less efforts. Here are the some standout features that make ReviewsGen AI special. Automated reviews request via email and SMS, and AI generated review templates tailored by niche, built-in review funnels with personalization, reputation monitoring dashboards, and multi-platform publishing. So you can post directly to Google, Yelp, or Trustpilot. It's likely having a full-time review manager working for you 24/7 powered by AI. Pros and cons. Let's talk about what really matters. Pros solves 4 major problems. It saves time, automates what used to take hours, and boosts trust. Verified customer reviews built instantly to increase your credibility. Improves SEO and visibility. More reviews equal to more traffic. Custom templates. AI writes review in your customer's voice, so it can ease your reviewing system. Now for the cons, and honestly, there is not a deal breakers but worth noting. Basic UI, the interface is clean but cold. Use more visual polish. No mobile app yet. Works best for desktop for now. Also a quick heads up. Reviews AI currently cost $69 as a one-time payment. But I'm giving you an exclusive discount code in the description, so don't forget to check that. Next up, let me show you how this tool actually works with a quick demo.
We understand how valuable your time and energy are. Creating detailed, SEO-friendly product reviews shouldn't be overwhelming. And now, it doesn't have to be. Our platform was built for content creators, affiliate marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to work smarter, not harder. With just a product link and a few clicks, ReviewsGen AI extracts key product details, then crafts a personalized, well-structured review that's optimized to perform.
After testing it thoroughly, here is my final verdict on ReviewsGen AI. AI automation, I am giving 4 out of 5. For price, I am giving 3 out of 5. For value for money, I am giving 4 out of 5. And easy to use, I am giving 4 out of 5. Overall, this is a must-have tool for any business owners, freelancers, or marketers looking to build trust to scale without wasting time or chasing clients. Bonus offer. Now if you decided to grab ReviewsGen AI using my link, I am offering 5 amazing bonus to make your purchase even more valuable. Bonus 1, 100 plus free video editing templates and viral video scripts. Then number 3, AI video creation script pack. Number 4, AI automation ebook. And number 5, AI cartoon animation video bundle. These are yours 100% free, no extra cost, just for supporting the channel. All you need to do is to click my affiliate link, make your purchase, and the bonus will be delivered to you in box. That's it for today, folks. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm dropping more tools, tips and exclusive bonuses in my YouTube shorts every week. Give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you got any questions about ReviewsGen AI, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, automate, smart, grow faster, and I'll see you in the next one.